Looking for the best Amazon home and kitchen products? You're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing Amazon finds every day. And remember, all product links are available in the description below. Now let's get started with number 1. Number 1 is the 800-watt Centrifugal juicer machine, designed to make fresh juice quickly and easily at home. The powerful 800-watt motor helps extract juice from fruits and vegetables efficiently, while the wide feed chute allows you to insert larger pieces with less preparation time. Its stainless steel design gives it a modern look, while also improving durability for everyday use. The juicer separates juice from pulp automatically, making the juicing process cleaner and more convenient. Cleaning is also simple, thanks to its removable parts, making it easier to use regularly without spending too much time on maintenance. Whether you enjoy orange juice in the morning or fresh vegetable drinks during the day, this juicer offers a fast and convenient way to enjoy homemade beverages. Number 2 is the Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 glass air fryer, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to do much more than traditional air fryers. This model features 6 cooking functions, allowing you to air fry, roast, reheat, bake, crisp, and cook a variety of meals with ease. One of its standout features is the use of glass cooking containers instead of traditional baskets, allowing you to see your food while it cooks. The package includes both a large 6-quart container and a smaller 2.5-quart container, giving you flexibility for family meals or smaller portions. The containers are microwave-safe, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-safe, making meal preparation and cleanup much easier. With temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a powerful heating system, the Ninja Crispi Pro delivers crispy results while maintaining convenience and versatility. For anyone looking for an all-in-one cooking solution, this appliance brings multiple kitchen functions into one modern design. Number 3 is the Turelar 5-in-1 Immersion blender set, a versatile kitchen tool designed to handle multiple cooking tasks with a single appliance. Powered by an 1,100-watt motor, this handheld blender delivers strong performance for blending soups, sauces, smoothies, and shakes with ease. The set includes several useful attachments, including a chopper for vegetables and herbs, a whisk for eggs and cream, and a milk frother for coffee drinks and lattes. Its variable speed trigger gives you greater control during blending, allowing you to adjust the power depending on the ingredients you're using. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, while the detachable accessories make cleaning quick and convenient after use. For anyone looking to save kitchen space while still having multiple cooking tools available, this 5-in-1 immersion blender is a practical and versatile solution for everyday cooking. Number 4 is the TQRR 3-piece crevice cleaning brush set, a simple but highly useful cleaning tool designed for hard-to-reach areas around the home. The narrow brush design makes it easy to clean tight spaces such as window tracks, sink edges, bathroom corners, grout lines, and gaps around faucets and toilets. Its hard bristles help remove dirt, dust, soap buildup, and grime that regular cleaning tools often struggle to reach. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, making longer cleaning sessions easier and more efficient. With 3 brushes included in the set, you can keep one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom, and one for general household cleaning tasks. For anyone looking for an affordable and practical cleaning solution for small spaces and corners, this brush set is a surprisingly useful addition to any home. Number 5 is the Home Hero 54-piece kitchen utensil set, a complete cooking tool collection designed to cover almost every task in the kitchen. With 54 different utensils included, this set comes with spatulas, spoons, whisks, tongs, measuring spoons, peelers, graters, and many other everyday cooking essentials. The utensils are made from stainless steel and heat-resistant materials, helping improve durability while protecting non-stick cookware from scratches. The included storage holder keeps everything organized and easily accessible, reducing clutter on your kitchen countertop. Whether you're cooking simple meals or preparing larger family dinners, having the right tools nearby can make cooking faster and more enjoyable. For new homeowners, apartment kitchens, or anyone looking to upgrade their cooking tools, the Home Hero Kitchen Utensil Set offers a convenient all-in-one solution for everyday cooking. Number 6 is the 12-piece Oven Mitts and Kitchen Towel Set, an essential collection for everyday cooking and baking. The set includes heat-resistant oven gloves, pot holders, kitchen towels, and dishcloths, giving you everything you need for handling hot cookware safely. The oven mitts feature a silicone grip design that helps improve control when carrying hot trays, pans, and baking dishes. With heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the gloves provide extra protection while cooking, grilling, or baking. The included towels and dishcloths are useful for cleaning spills, drying dishes, and keeping your kitchen organized during meal preparation. Whether you're cooking dinner, baking desserts, or preparing meals for family and friends, this complete kitchen set is a practical addition to any home. Number 7 is the stainless steel Sink Caddy Organizer, a simple kitchen accessory designed to keep your sink area clean and organized. This organizer provides dedicated space for sponges, brushes, soap bottles, and dishcloths, helping reduce clutter around the sink. Its stainless steel construction offers durability while fitting nicely into modern kitchen designs. The open design allows water to drain quickly, helping sponges and cleaning tools dry faster between uses. It also includes a convenient towel bar, giving you extra space for drying cloths and keeping essentials within easy reach. For anyone looking to improve kitchen organization and make cleaning more convenient, this Sink Caddy is a practical and space-saving solution. Number 8 is the large stone dish drying mat, a modern alternative to traditional drying racks and cloth mats. Made from highly absorbent stone material, this drying mat quickly absorbs water from dishes, cups, and kitchen utensils while helping keep your countertop dry and clean. Its quick-drying surface helps reduce water buildup and keeps the kitchen looking neat and organized. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, saving valuable counter space in smaller kitchens. Its large surface area provides enough room for plates, bowls, glasses, and other kitchen items after washing. For anyone looking for a cleaner and more stylish way to dry dishes, this stone drying mat is a practical upgrade for any modern kitchen. Number 9 is Luigi's Small Drain Plunger, a compact tool designed to quickly clear clogs in sinks, showers, bathtubs, and bathroom drains. Despite its small size, this plunger creates strong suction power that helps remove blockages without the need for harsh chemicals. Its compact design makes it easy to store under the sink or in a cleaning cabinet, ready whenever you need it. The flexible rubber cup adapts to different drain sizes, helping improve effectiveness during use. For small household clogs and slow drains, this simple tool can save both time and money by avoiding expensive plumbing visits. If you want a quick and practical solution for everyday drain problems, this compact plunger is a useful item to keep at home. Number 10 is the DREO 12-inch air circulator fan, designed to provide powerful airflow while remaining surprisingly quiet. This compact fan can circulate air up to 70 feet away, helping improve airflow throughout bedrooms, offices, and living spaces. With noise levels as low as 25 decibels, it operates quietly enough for sleeping, studying, or working without distractions. The fan offers 3 speed settings, allowing you to adjust airflow depending on your comfort needs and room temperature. Its adjustable tilt design lets you direct airflow exactly where you need it, whether on your desk, bed, or across the room. For anyone looking for a quiet and powerful cooling solution, this DREO fan is a practical addition to any home or office. Those were our top 10 Amazon home and kitchen finds for today. Which product was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. All product links are available in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon finds.